Verse 14 of the Gospel of John, chapter 2, is before us here. We have followed Jesus now from Galilee and Capernaum, where he's set up a somewhat permanent residence, but he's now made a trek, and at least as John tells the Gospel, made it early in his career. And so he arrives in Jerusalem for the Passover, and we pick up the story there. Kai and Hurin, from Heurisco, I find. This is the third person singular, present active indicative. He finds in to hiero, in the temple, and the word for temple here means the broad structure of the temple, not the naos, the inner sanctum of the temple, but rather this external, very large area, really took up many acres. And of course there was a great deal of activity in that area. A lot of it was commercial activity, which is precisely what Jesus would wind up objecting to. So he found in the temple, this is from poloo, verb that means I sell, and this is a accusative participle now, present participle. The sellers would be the idea. Boas, of bulls, kai. Probata, of sheep, kai. Peristeros, of doves, although the word can also mean pigeons, but obviously in the sacrificial setting it's going to refer to doves. And so he finds those who are selling these various animals, of course selling them for purposes of making sacrificial animals available to worshipers who have come from, especially from long distances. Kai, tus, kermatistas. This is from the noun in Greek kerma, which means a coin. And so this word meant those who were the exchangers of coins, the exchangers of money, because the temple area would not permit you to donate money that had a graven image on it. Of course, the Roman coinage routinely had the image of the Caesar emblazoned upon it, and so in order to offer monetary sacrifices here, you had to have the acceptable kind of coinage, and so they're exchanging the money for that purposes, and they're kathemenus, they are sitting. This is a participle, present participle. So Jesus finds in the temple those who are selling bulls and sheep and doves and exchanging money, and he finds them sitting.